Now you all are okay? Okay, so good morning, guys. How are you? I'm also fine. So as you know that it's Tuesday today and especially for teaching day. So I want to teach you something about psychology. As you have listened about psychology, that the person, how the person is sitting, so we can underestimate that how if he is sitting in this position, so we can know without asking, without saying that what exactly he is thinking and she is thinking about us. That sometimes as I'm teaching now, so I can sometimes I can know the by the body language that who is feeling interest in my teaching and who is just saying how many after how many times he will go. Means by psychology it is very interesting subject. That by the only the eyes we can know that he is just friend, he is just enemies, he is just means something else. By talking we can understand. So I just want to tell you that what the why should we study about psychology? What the important to study about psychology and what is psychology? Because it is very interest not very interesting subject. And as first of all I want to introduce by this name. The name becomes from two things. First one is psycho and second one is logy. Psycho came from psyche. Psyche means spirit, yeah, or soul. Logy means science. Those are signs of soul. The signs of soul or signs of spirit is called psychology. If we all the things which are coming from our inside, so which these things are coming from our soul, and as we are not feeling interest, we are just friends. Teaching you bad, or I'm telling a lie. I'm telling truth. So we can understand by the psychology, and it is our illusion. It is just our illusion that we think that we have no psychology subject. So what is the need to study psychology? As we have just 3 or 4 subjects, so we should just carry on this subject. Why should we go for a psychology? So you know that the all the things. First of all, I want to give you an example. As you scroll the reels, I think I am right. You all scroll the reels. You all see the shorts in YouTube, see the reels in Instagram. So it is not, and we think that that it is my mistake that I scroll reels. I cannot live far from my phone. That I cannot stay even for 2 or 3 minutes from phone. I just want to open Instagram in every 15 or 30 minutes. So it is not your mistake. It is the mistake of the person who made it, because he knows the psychology of you and he is playing with your psychology. As it is not your fault that you are going for the Insta, for the reels in Insta. It is the fault of the person who made it and who is playing with your psychology. Now it is a game of psychology. It is not a game of your that you are just scrolling the reels. So now you can relate that how much psychology is playing with us. So first of all is that why should we study about psychology? So first one is to understand ourselves. You know, sometimes we also don't know ourselves, that what we are going to do and what we can do. Sometimes, as I just want to take example of for all the person in this class. As you came first time in this class, so you feel hesitation, you didn't want to go on the stage. And as you came, so you feel very hesitation that I don't want to how can I speak, there are many students, so they will laugh if I speak this, then how I will manage. So you know that at that time you could not understand yourself, that what how you will react after going on the stage, and how why you are feeling hesitation. So to understand ourselves, that where we are feeling hesitation. You know, sometimes we have problem that if I'm girl, so I don't feel hesitation before girls, but I feel hesitation before boys. Sometimes boys also happens, but with boys also happens that you will not feel hesitation with your gender, but you will feel hesitation before girls. Means it is also by the psychology that why you are feeling hesitation before the other gender. It is also about the psychology. Then if you study about psychology, then you can understand yourself, that where you have the lack, why you are feeling hesitation, why you have not good communication with other another gender, why you have this type of problems. So if you study psychology, then you can understand this type, understand yourself. And second thing is to make your emotions strong. to study the psychology. And why should we study the psychology? And second thing is to make your emotions strong. You know that our, as we know that sometimes we don't want to do something, that we don't want to weep, but we means we automatically weep. That we don't want to laugh, but sometimes we automatically laugh. It also happens with me that sometimes I don't want to laugh, but I laugh. Means we cannot control our emotions. At sometime ever did you think that you make alarm of 6 o'clock, but it is ringing? Just stop. I will study from tomorrow, and please. And sometime that you are going from the on the road and you saw the momos, chowmein, means this type of the things, and you some one thing you are, there are two things in your mind. One will say, eat, what is happening? You are just slim and you are just healthy. So why? Second will say, what will happen? Just one momos, just one plate chowmein. It will not affect. It will not affect. And second thing is next thing is that now today you are just want to study, but second thing is saying, are you becoming minister in Monday? Your friend also say, are you becoming minister in Monday? Will you become doctor in Monday? What you will do in Monday? Means there are two things which all those are saying to you. Means one is saying, are you becoming minister in Monday? Don't study today. Study from today, tomorrow. So there are two things. So if you want to understand that both things in your mind and to control both things in your mind, to go to the positive things, so you should study about psychology. And third thing is to know the dark side of world, dark side of people. You know that there are two sides of people, every people, not me, not you, every people, they are just looking something and something from another. Means they are something from inside. We cannot say that if someone is saying that I'm innocent, so that is not innocent. Means everybody has two souls, one is just he's showing, one is just inside. So if you want to look at what is exactly he or she is from inside, so you should need a psychology. You know that by the activities, as she and he's talking with me, and he's saying that yes, means by the emotions we make fooled by the emotions, that by weeping, that if you do this, so I will die, I will do this, I will do this. Means we have the chop logics and we weep. Sometimes you saw the person, he's just weeping, and we think that yes, he's a real person, he's weeping and he will do this, but it is just a nonsense. But if we want to see the fact, that is his tears true, is his pain true, is his happiness true. You know that sometimes we have the problem that we have not problems, or everybody have problem that they just want to show that we are happy, they just laugh, that they want to show that we are happy, but exactly they are not happy. If you want to see the person that what he is exactly from inside, so you will have to study about psychology, then you will come to know that by everything, that how he is the person, how she is the person. And fourth thing is to know the to know dark side of world. As I have given you the example of the dark side of the world, as you know, the all the companies, means all the companies which all are on the top first, top second, top third, they have lots of psychologists. Means they have like the army of psychologists. They have groups of psychologists. That they first they check what the people demanding. Now they what they are demanding. How they can, you know that as you are scrolling the reels, they don't want that you should come from the reels. If you come from the reels, if you come from the source, then you will oppose the question, the companies, why you are selling this product, this product has this type of bad quality, then you will raise the voice. Just they want to make you fooled in the this type of nonsense that. And we think that it is our fault that we are scrolling the reels, we are looking the shorts, but it's not just our fault. So if we want to see the dark side of this world, so we should study about psychology. And fifth thing is to know the mind. To know mind, first of all, just last fifth thing, it is just last that we can know about our mind by the psychology. As you know that we have 100% mind, but by the research, Einstein used his most of the mind, and he just used 11 or 30%. Then you can imagine he was the brilliant person, as he used 11 or 13% mind. But and if he used 50%, 60%, so how the person he was. So here we can say that the person who is just using 10 or 11% mind, so he's the genius person. If we know that how we can increase the mind, how we can develop our mind. So we should just study about psychology. By psychology we can make our mind very brilliant, and we can know by the psychology we can also know the reality of dreams. You know that we just think that we have slept. There are some dreams are coming, someone is coming, and we are going in a river, we are just dying. Means they are just not chalk, they are just some reality. In by the dreams we can go in reality. The dreams says to us something. If dreams are coming in night, so they are saying to something to us that something is gonna to happen, and something has happened, and this will happen. And second thing is that we can also know. Okay, so I have told you 5 things about the psychology. If we study this, so we can get this. We can get the knowledge of this type of things. So if you have any question regarding this, so you can ask to me.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
As you told that you study psychology. Well,
I did not study, or I study something about it. I study some study sitting position, that I can know by the sitting position that who
From where
is she
you
is not
study?
feeling interest in my study. That she is just close the legs and he is not. Is it?
from where? From where you study?
I study from YouTube. But
is-
I am thinking that I should purchase some books, but because the by books I feel, it is my opinion that by books we can get more.
okay, by books or by YouTube we can study all the psychology.
Yeah, yes, we can cover some part of psychology. We cannot study every part of psychology, because there are many type of psychologists. They are teaching and they are preparing for the students to become psychologists. So we should just cover some part of psychology.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.